BJP government not concentrating about these poor farmers. They are concentrating only the rich industrialists. Ambani and Adani only can get benefit. These benefits will be deposited in Swiss bank. This BJP will collapse within this May 2 result. This BJP and RSS Hindutva killing our farmers and downtrodden poor people. Punjab and Haryana peoples are role model for Indian farmers.
ਸਕਾਲ ਔਨ ਏਅਰ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਂ ਸਨਮਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਭੱਲਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਅੰਦੋਲਨ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਇਆ ਤੇ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸਟੇਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਸਰਕਾਰ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬੈਠਾ ਜਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਹਰਿਆਣਾ ਬੈਠਾ, ਪਰ ਨਹੀਂ, ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਥਾਵਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਸੱਜਣ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਚੇਨਈ ਤੋਂ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਨੇ, ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸਰ, ਫਰਮ ਵੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ?
I am Tirumurugan from Devendra Kula Velalar community, Tamil Nadu.
What are you doing here? For whom you supporting here?
We are supporting Indian farmers. We are supporting poor, downtrodden Indian farmers. Here 150 crore our population, 75 crore poor farmers, they are struggling past 10 years. Because of this fascist BJP government not concentrating about these poor farmers. They are concentrating only the rich industrialists. This is not a foreign, this is India. They want to think about the India. This farmer bill 2020 useful only for foreigners. This is India. The BJP want to come down. They want to concentrate our Indian poor farmers. The Indian poor farmers needs a lot of things, but they want to concentrate the downtrodden poor farmers needs. Otherwise, according to this 2020 bill, that Ambani and Adani only can get benefit. These benefits will be deposited in Swiss bank in his own account. This never useful for Indian poor farmers. This our Punjab and Haryana farmers, they are making a fruitful steps for overall Indian farmers. So we are thanking for Punjab and Haryana farmers to protect our basic rights of overall Indian 75 crores farmers. Our Tamil Nadu Devendra Kula Velalar community, full and full my own community, 2 crore farmers, they are struggling. Yearly they are coming to Delhi, they are protesting, nobody watching.
In Tamil Nadu, people know about the Kisan Andolan which is going on in Delhi.
Yes, everybody know, all are same like you, South Indians also, they are all brilliant, they are watching all. But still, why they are keeping little support means, in this BJP strong government, they are fearing about this strong government, RSS government. Nothing in this 4 state election result and 1 union territory is result will be, entirely it will be changed. Collapse this RSS. We will strongly tell. This BJP will collapse within this May 2 result. This continuously they are opposing this BJP and RSS Hindutva killing our farmers and downtrodden poor peoples. That's why we are opposing from South India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, all Telangana and all South states. We are supporting Haryana and Punjab farmers. We are thanking for Haryana and Punjab farmer taking fruitful steps to oppose this.
What is the situation in Tamil Nadu of farmers? How they are surviving there and how they are farming their crops? What is the situation of the farmer in Tamil Nadu?
In Tamil Nadu, full and full green fields. They are in Tanjavur area, full and full paddy we are cultivating. There are a lot of issues, problems are there. But in
What kinds of problems
we
are
don't
there?
have goodowns to storage our paddy. Don't have goodowns. But only one thing, what the BJP thinking, if giving this everything to privatization, the private peoples will make a good facility, international facility goodowns to saving. But after saving these goodowns, every control will be going private. The poor peoples will affect. Poor farmers will affect. Everybody knows this. But this strong government only working for Ambani and Adani, not for poor farmers. We know strongly opposing this BJP RSS. in our area also, this coming election, everything is Tamil Nadu election, April 6th we voted for DMK opposing BJP. We want to change all rulings. This RSS BJP never continue because they are not concentrating about poor farmers. You are the Punjab and Haryana peoples are role model for Indian farmers. We are supporting Punjab and Haryana always. We are 2 crore Devendra Kula Velar community farmers. They are supporting you. They are ready to protest in Tamil Nadu. Immediately they are continuously doing DMK party supporting farmers. And Punjab Haryana initiation we are supporting.
You only here come to support the farmers. You have come from very far away. Yes. Only your motive is to support the farmer here.
Yes, for that purpose only. Last 4 months I am tried to come here because of that cooling time, and also I have some personal issues. I cannot reach here. I have some family issues. So this is the time I came here. But we should not keep silent because they are strong peoples, that Hindutva peoples, they are making lot of illegals. By money based, that Gujarat based politics they are doing. This is India. India is United States of India. It is not a single country. United States of India having, every states having equal power. So every farmer should get benefit to destroy RSS, to destroy BJP.
The BJP government says that the farmers who are sitting here are illiterates. How they are using social media platforms and how they are eating pizzas here. So BJP government says that the farmers are illiterate. How they are doing like this? They are speaking English. They are using social media platforms. They had built their IT cell their own. The farmers. How do you think that BJP government thinks about the farmers?
BJP government thinking about farmers, these poor Indian farmers are fools. They are thinking, BJP government, poor farmers are fools. But Indian farmers having unity. Using this unity easily destroy this privatization, that ownership BJP. This BJP thinking this protest is by somebody, other countries are screwing. Like this other countries screwing to destroy BJP. No. Indian people, Indian poor peoples initiatively taken steps, fruitful steps to destroy this RSS BJP. That's why this Farmer Bill 2020 is very important for next parliament election and commitment. This existing BJP will be destroyed because of Indian farmers only. Indian farmer having more power, more unity to destroy this Ambani and Adani groups.
Last question, what do you think that the farmer will win this protest? They will get the demand fulfilled by the government?
Our thinking, I have discussed with a lot of IAS and IPS from Tamil Nadu. My Girsudas Gandhi IAS is retired from Additional Chief Secretary of Planning and Development Commissioner from Tamil Nadu. We discussed about this bill. What they told is there's a strong this BJP government planning to support industrialist privatization. This privatization movement, privatization motive only they are doing this. But this will be changed by our Indian people agitation only can change this. Using this agitation, it will be spreaded overall India and overall wherever Indians in globalized Indians want to concentrate to stop this, remove this Farmer Bill 2020.
People will win or not?
Definitely win. People having power. The BJP and RSS has no power. People's having power. 150 crore people, out of this 150, 75 crore people is poor farmers. The 75 crore poor farmers can change, can destroy, can win any time next election or immediately by our governor of India ruling India.
ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਕਿ ਚੇਨਈ ਦੇ ਸ਼ਖਸ ਦੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੁੱਸਾ, ਚਾਹੇ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਭਾਸ਼ਾ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਫਰਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਮਿਲਨਾਡੂ ਤੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਪਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦਾ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਜ਼ਾਹਿਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਖੁਦ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਮਝ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਤਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਅਪਡੇਟਸ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੇ ਰਹੋ। ਕੈਮਰਾਮੈਨ ਜਗਰੂਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਨਮਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਔਨ 에ਅਰ ਦਿੱਲੀ।